Welcome to Farnborough International Airshow 2018. We are proud to be the official cleaning partner. Upon winning the contract, our biggest concern was the size of the site. We turned to SmartTask so that we could track all the different areas and make sure that no areas were missed. With over $240 billion worth of deals taking place at Farnborough Airshow, our job is to keep the exhibition halls clean and tidy to enable these deals to happen.
Each day we deploy over 100 cleaning staff across the site, cleaning everything from ancillary buildings, toilet facilities and the 16,000 square metres of exhibition space. SmartTask is genuinely simple and easy to use. Their support systems are also on hand at any moment to help you. Managing a site as vast as Farnborough, it is difficult to know exactly where our staff are at any one time. With the help of SmartTask, we are able to track our staff, address our key performance indicators and ensure that the site remains impeccably clean at all times. With over 1,600 exhibitors and in excess of 200 areas to clean, our main concern that we would miss one area. With the help of SmartTask, we don't. Our cleaners found the app easy to download, easy to use and didn't impact their day's tasks and roles, making it truly efficient and effective for us. There are many products on the market, but SmartTask offers us value for money and an efficient service, which we cannot fault.
SmartTask enables us to track all the stands that are responsible for cleaning to ensure that no areas are missed.
The software is super easy to use and it helps us keep the site nice and tidy.